Hi, my name is Sue, and I just wanted to share the reason why I decided to go to the Find Your Fire retreat. Pretty much, I had given up on all my goals and dreams in a nutshell, and I was just going through the motions of life. I was just, even though I knew what my goals were, I was just going through the motions of life. And when I made the decision to go, it was absolutely life changing, and it was the best decision and the best investment that I made in myself. And both Kurek and Erin, Ashley, I learned so much from the both of them. From Kurek, I learned about mindset. I learned that, I am who I say I am. And I love the quote that he says, be not of the good opinion of others. And Erin Ashley, she taught me about centering yourself. So, when I'm finding that, things are getting a bit much, I go to the room and I just, sit there quietly and I just center myself. And, they both really are a powerhouse together. And I cannot highly recommend, I cannot enough highly recommend the Find Your Fire retreat. I just want to finish by saying that, it is, if you think about walking on hot coals of fire, you say, even me, I was going, impossible, like the brain was screaming out, that's crazy. But you know what? They teach you how to get in such a top peak performance where you feel so unstoppable that when you walk across there, it is an analogy to show you that nothing is impossible. And so if you can do a fire walk, you can do anything. Thank you.